here. I've been waiting for so long. Oh shit. Okay, wait. Album. I pre-ordered it a while back. It's here. Can you start looking inside? I'm so excited. So I just got the unfolded poster and the two albums, the two versions. I got the black and the white again, just like the first chapter. Two this time. I think last time they mispackaged it because they gave me three. But oh, look how cute! I also love the pastel, like grainy pastel concept here. Just like that. Okay, so I got Doyoung, which is one of my bias. So my two biases are Jihoon and Doyoung, and I got Doyoung and Yeram. I do think his vocals shines a lot in this comeback. Him and Jongwoo, and Jihoon too. I see that they're trying to push Jihoon's high notes out a lot. This is the ktown4u pre-order photo card, and I can't wait to actually put all the albums together. So it shows up as a diamond. I'm going to check for photo cards first, but oh my gosh, I see Yeram. I think I'm blessed with Yeram this comeback. Whoa, and Ruto. What? Oh, Mashiro is always in my pulls, always. There's a sticker, and then the bookmark. Mashi's I love you in his own handwriting. So cute. His photo card. And then Ruto's photo card. Oh no! Another of Mashi's 널 사랑해 photo card. I'm actually like blessed with Mashiro. And then Yeram's I heart you photo card. And then a scratch card. Oh, just a cute little poster. Aww. So cute. I'm going to actually do a quick flip through. Now we're going to do the white version. We're going to, of course, again, look for the photo cards first. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, look at this next page. First, this cute sticker. So this orange sticker, it's really matte. I saw his name, but I have Jaehyuk. It says, 널 사랑해 in the back. I have the bookmark. Then I have Jongwoo's same I love you photo card. And then this one is first edition only. I got Ruto again. Oh my gosh, what? So I got Ruto again for the first edition card. Literally the same card. And then, oh, I got Jinkyo. Dang it. No Jihoon though. Okay, it's okay. Jinkyo's very cute. He is very much my third or fourth bias. Him and Yoshi kind of switch back and forth, but I love you, Jinkyo. So cute. Okay, I'm satisfied. And then the scratch card. So this poster is just the same thing. It's just like a, you can choose either this side or this side. So I'm actually going to go through this real quick. I'm going to scratch the cards and see. Let me see if I can just, oh, this works. Dang it. It says, sorry. I can already see it's not filled. Tragedy. Yep, definitely sorry too. Oh well. It's okay. It's okay. So yeah, that was my unboxing. Thank you for watching. Yeah, we'll go. Bye!